Jachame, Bama, 240 say, and now could they, or penny for a year. Omoye am a kuku for a free German Development Corporation, and a Ghanaian European Development, Migration and Job, and so a home, and a jobs and a migration agency, and a wealth and jobs agency, and so home. Where kuku me and Saka Bomo say a dimple to Juma. Ebagan and Munafin, so one more you to quine, a could do a man on so a boy or mom's in your Jumaye. Now, I feel Omy and say, Bosumi do no a ebay, on Baby, and she a more cassia o Kumasi, and a fashe. Now, and I'm say, I fear, Utun for fish yada, a do no me, or won't be yes, I may deal with Kumasi, Ediation in Munyam. Now, so I shall need him put to Juma and so about a santimai. Na no mo ba ya no so mo ntiment and ko so enye nhyehyɛ no abraham mo kurowura amane tie ba ya bona amane se dwumedi omode ba asanteman na yasre mo wakoto nhyehyɛ no so na afi so omna ba bidi ade ni abetia no omo ka ho no information bema re ya ogina mi nkyɛn misasa foje no yi omodi
Nana Chame Pacho, Yabesre Nanka, Ato Yura, say, Church of Momo has say, near Udi delegation in him, the deputy ambassador to Germany, from Germany to Ghana, a friend Sven Janssen, Pacho on Ejina Menchehe. Enna New Diso, Unfortunately, welcome now to Nana. Say, on one and Nana, Dr. Ernesto Furisapon. On no Susana. I am Dr. Furisapon. On also Eka, the board of the Wealth and Jobs Agency. Na nana Dr. Forisapon enyuma a waye e create ama mabunu e wo Ghana has over 3,000 na ote ne ye no na osi we say de ya de adimpuntu obeba pa enti wontumi ntina faako na onhwe enti ono so beba betachiri na ono so de ne tumi ne na hoden aba ne ye ho se ne asanteman ne Ghana esi etumpon akonani na Pacho near Udiso so eye Kojo Dansudodu. Ono so neye the MD for Special Ice. I am sounds so ye board member for Best Point Savings and Loans. Tim Pacho ono so eba betechri. Ena near Udiso eye Dr. Dirk Assman. Dr. Dirk Assman ene the country director for GIZ. The development for Germany. On also so omona assume e make sure say send ye tie bia no e was say e mebunu ai wo Ghana ha say yetumi esua de into things like skills development. No me bit to say training ene ho nkeka ho omona e hwe sa nneoma ni nyina na omode aboa na ye mebunu no enso tumi anya ho akwanya etu kwan akọ EU. No mo so tumi akonya adwuma aye adwuma enya experience no mo de aba na de aba besum ama Ghana enya na ntuma pefra enti mepacho Dr. Dirk Assman ena ne otwaso so eye Ambassador Ahmed Hassan, Ambassador at large, the former chief protocol to the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo. Ono na yet the board chairman of the Wealth and Jobs Agency. Na ono so ede ne nimdie ene ne experience ne bibia so aba a wode techri se ne be ya ye betumi ama adwuma ne gina ne naso ye. Ne odi so eye ne oboa no ne aid a friend of Samuel Lai. Ono so ne bia Ambassador Hassan beko bia no. Na ono so wo hobby. Pacho ni odi so no eye Kwesi Taylor. Kwesi Taylor and the managing partner for the Wealth and Jobs Agency. Na and ye ne yeshe na ehu emebunu a yebeboa wo mo na aka bibia bom na nyame adom yenya development partners ye omo so aba beso yemu na yehu se na yebesi de mebunu no ya boa wo mo na ye de wo mo akọ ye adwuma enya experience no mo asan de aba beboa enti Kwesi Taylor no na mpacho ni odiso eye Willie Hugo so na ye the economic and a TVET and a migration for GIZ. Into ono so aba a oba beso ekunum na yehu se na ebesidi ni nyina akonanim. Pacho ni odiso no so the head for the Ghanaian European Center. Your friend Andreas Bedding so ono so ene wo Ghana ha say or share the development also with regard to the German with migration. Inti no say enkrofo be kwa eba be pe ejuma wa ha say so mbe kwa bruchire so mbe free aha akọ Accra and mbe free nkran abakumase ni nyina no omo so ye na wo pacho ni odi so e friend no Teresa out ono so wo German embassy into ono so aba besum sene e be ya ye be hu sene e be si akoye nim and pacho ni odisu biem ye ankasa ye former IGP David Asante Apietu onone de wo mu edimu pa if you say owie ne akwanya no wankotene fie kwa onim se ne etie se mmabunu a wo mu wa Ghana ha se wo mu anya adwuma pa bi anya se bio na nsemone na neoma nketenkete enti no ono so de nenim de abeta akire se ne ebe ya ye nyina ye behu se ne ye betumi aboa na mmabunu na nya adwuma paaye na omo ankwan kodi nsemone enti ono so aba ede ono so nenim de abeta akire na mpacho ne odi so no Kwaku Yeboa na ye the component manager for Ghanaian European Center. Ono na ye Ghana ni a oda no odi enimu a owo Ghana ha sei. Ono enso so na make sure say the projects are ekoso nyina with regard to emebunu no a wo mo pay adwuma ono na be arrangement with private companies. Ono na ye arrangement with Ministry of Employment. Ono na ye arrangement with YEA Youth Employment Agency and then okay can send ye be ya emebunu e wo Ghana ha sei ye betumi anya adwuma pa biaye enti no wadaroma ye nyina na yaka bom ene ye ba asanteman mu sene ye na hia hene kan ye no na edi kan ye ba na ye ba beda ye wurase so wa ma ye ho akwanya se ye mra na ye ne mra mesom ene wokude na ye to aso bio yasre no se oma ho kwan a na adwuma eda ye nimu ya ba bitu yetumi aba na ya ba be ye wo no na sase so enti mpacho ne ye de ba ye no na me aso so a megina ha sei within the Arnold Kwame Free Asafoje me so na me ye the project manager for Wealth and Jobs Agency nti ye na yeso ne ye hwe na ye de emabunu no ekoye adwuma na ye train wo mo ne asan de wo mo aba afi etwa mu yi ye de over 200 people and akwa wo mo ye adwuma se sia ye kasei omo wo various it's a cruise ships and honkeka ho into hospitality sector no for example omo ko no mo akosua se ne yesi ye aduane omo kosua se ne yesi serve omo kosua se ne yesi running hotels and honkeka ho no mo the same experience na ba jamincha de wo mo ko ye nyina no na chame wo mo nyina ba omo ba ye so omo asan nya ho akwanya asan kobiem no mo ko ye nyina no so no omo nyina so ye promote wo mo nyina enti no nyame adom adwuma no ekoyie enti eno na ye deba na ye de aba abehye ye wurani mo nyam na ye hu se ne ye besi akoye ni mo afa na ye ba ye so a ya ma ya sapan ye de a case of gold label aba ene ye de snaps so pentumienu aba ena bomu ade kakra so for nana ene ne mpanyifo enti pacho eno ntini e vai in this emphasis anka o ma me ho kwan a na nka ma pass ya ma the head of the delegation no Sivin Jansen ono na ye the deputy ambassador na ankasa ono ankasa na nka oba enso so no enura na enura chi ne efre no so omra meeting wo Germany nti went me am enti ni odi so na abai enti mesre na nka me de amano no so etumi akasa kakra.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty. First, let me please start by extending my heartfelt condolences to you with regards to the recent passing of your son, the Archimpinehene. Second, on a more positive note, I would like to congratulate you on your Silver Jubilee, marking the 25th anniversary of your ascension to the throne. This is actually my 5th time already in Kumasi since I arrived in Ghana 2 years ago, but my first time here in the palace, and it was glad for me to have the honor today to visit the museum and the artifacts exhibited there, which are an amazing and impressive testimony to the wealth and the long-standing history of the Asante Kingdom. Also earlier today, I once again went to Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, where you are the Chancellor of, and we have a very close partnership, Germany and the university, spanning a range of different areas and topics and always evolving. Coming to the purpose of our visit today, that is in the field of development cooperation, one of the key areas of the 3 focus points in our development cooperation is the youth and a prosperous future employment. And this we are aiming to enable by working very closely together with the government of Ghana to offer a good technical vocational educational training. That is one element of that. And the other one is to also secure future job placement. And in this regard, since 2017, GIZ has organized a career and migration fair, and already this fair has taken place 2 times in Kumasi. And again, on the occasion of your 25th anniversary since the ascension of the throne, we are intending to hold this year's fair in your kingdom, in Kumasi. And we have come here today with 2 small requests where we are seeking humbly your permission for them. The first one is that already next week we would like to start the media launch for this career and migration fair, and that we can actually, and the second request is that we are actually allowed and granted the permission to hold the fair in the middle of October in this city. With this, I would like to hand over to the director of GIZ, Dirk Assmann, to give a few more details about it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. His Royal Majesty, paramount chiefs and elders of the Asante nation, I bring the greetings of the German Development Corporation of GIZ, and also the congratulations to the Silver Jubilee. His Royal Majesty plays a very significant role not only in sustaining the cultural heritage of the Asante nation, but also in shaping the future, in supporting the youth, especially for their own development and to benefit the country as well. And this is the common ground that we share, because GIZ, on behalf of the German government, the European Union and others, is focusing on the youth in our work. We are here since 1975, so this year is the Silver Jubilee of the throne here in Kumasi. Next year will be the Golden Jubilee of the engagement of the German Development Technical Corporation here in this country. Currently, the Vice Ambassador already mentioned it, we are working on different areas. Just to mention a few, it's digital transformation, entrepreneurship, good governance, renewable energies, and one of the biggest areas is sustainable economic development and employment. And in this line, we also support the region. Here we work together with the Ministry of Employment, for example, in setting up or improving the employment centers all over the country, including a construction of the labor office complex here in the famous labor area in Kumasi. And with that, we support the fantastic Majesty's Opemsuo Foundation in its work as well. So here today, we are, as was mentioned already, we are here to announce the career and career and wealth and job migration fair, which is the third time that we do it. First time here in Kumasi. And not only we alone, of course, but we do it in a partnership with, coming from the German government, together with the European Union, the Ministry of Employment, the Ghanaian government, and, which is very important, the private sector, here represented by the Wealth and Jobs Agency. So I would like to thank you from the agency for the excellent cooperation, and well, we invite His Majesty to grace this event. Thank you.
Nana Chairman, in the chat for back on the CEO of Volkswagen Ghana. The CEO of Volkswagen Ghana, Utu Kwankakra, Nana no home fano, Intina was all kind of hoba. Now, when to me a man, on also near day banner say, Yenina Yenim said, Swami magazine dear, Omo Yejma Homoya dear. Nemum, Sabe Krata, and Womuni, and now do one nanny, Intina near VW Ghana, so air and say, Omba Banoma Baby Senior, a friend Innovation Hub. Senior Beya, one more year Juma Swamino. Ombe to me a baho, Abe training. Say 3 months, say 6 months, 12 months. No more so in your crata, send your Beya, almost so super so more come with him. Say be almost quite brutal, year Juma, Yenim so many Mejumano, and so I fed your crata tachri. And no, no, so deba, no, so the abeta Juma Yechi. Na say when to me a man in Tino. And no, and a yesre, amano, na a drew time one year that a Juma year next week no, Obeba, Yamea Domua, Obeba, now on one Casa Ababe Kanye or Mobabe, Edia Soyim. T. Nana Chami Pacho near Wahono. Yeah, that's it.
Miss Darmadinka and said, wow, about anybody here in a kind and said, Unana no more home we. Darma Numaku, I be what my brochimem, Umakom Hoa boom, Nebin so Gana ha, Umina come Hoa boom. Umubotaye, Umaniso, I didn't say, Uman the Belboa and Mebunu, a Sisua Epe Jumaye. Said the Beya, the old Pejumaya brochery, Amanone, Ume Pequabe Biha, Umbeboa, Umamuna, Timiania, Umunsan, or Juma, and only Botaya, Wadar Momudi, a sea Umaniso. No more by Sene, Omunu be dear there. Na omafa kwanya so ama otrinkwa umfie aduonu num a odaroma Nyankopon de otra banwa so wadie no omaba be ma otrinkwa odaroma de omu kane se omu koyi enam umfie aduonu num a odi no santema mu kese ni nti omu sre omu pese omu nhia mu kese omu ba beye no sebe wasasi so eye bosome edunum omu ntime me bibia wa bra ye mesre okwan uhyira omu na omu kwan a omu tima be di sa adwuma no ama bibia nso aye kama Adarma okoso da omu nyina adi bia omu na ofuri sapon woso wote ya se dwumadi aba no se beba beboa firi so ono nkwa omi enwuma nkwa abese be enwuma mpim du mabunu anya biye onso de ne ho ahyemu a oboa odeda omu nyina adi onana apietu principal ni dada ono nso wose odi dwuma ade boa omu papa Adarma onana akoso kire sa afie etwa mu no Onana no mo free Ghana a omutimi do mo kwa amano ne mo mukosuaye edi djuma bebura ha enu omu nyina akwa obi anka omu san baaye Emma Umusa ko bi onu kra umanya abasobode a yabobo omu nyina abaso ache se duma omu die no bibia ekoso kama adarma abrofo no so kan bi se omu ma otiri nkwa ne mfie aduonu no mu a nyame de watena abanwa so no mu dwuma die ni nyina abota ne so mu de beboa mabunu ama omanya adwuma aye na san kan bi se pani ba ko kan omu ho bibi nti wantimi ama ono ena oye pani na oda Volkswagen VW adwumaku na no ne botai ne se so magazine wona na no no mu ye adwuma nanso ya no mu nya krata nti ono so beboa se de be ya obefa maburu na free ha e di o makọ amano ne am o makosua na o manya krata se de be o betim de ya adwuma mo nwuma nso akoso adwuma we ne si wona na no mani so odaroma o mu di o mu e de beto onim no ma beje won chenhira eburu o mu ba o mu kro mu nsam odaroma Gold label adaka broninsa pentumienu adama obo mu ade akrachefo ne nananom nso ebo mu ade nananom ba ya de omu no de bedi ade ne neburu otumfo de mase papa
nananom Omiampre mpanyimfo ye yampre wonum yampre mpanyimfo ye
yo le passe le coup de la c'est le monsieur on il va nous sia mais le dire nous c'est non pour une rencontre, on a fait une bonne raison de tester. On a testé avec la transaction.
Nana, Opemsuo on est ambassadeur Hassan.
Yo.
Et d'ailleurs, a personne qui a dit au monde n'a pas même été.
Yo, c'est ça pour d'abord. Hassan est
ambassadeur Hassan.
Ambassadeur Hassan.
Na produit peigné à pied.
Avoir un peu tu vas ser o Lucia não nunca me viu mesmo longo não sabe como né muito muito pela boa o só podia pela boa no dia é moço
qual você me dá na se papa passou o dia
o tu moço não vai ser papa passou o dia também de lá
não ele bem aí no bebê na mexia o mano
eu não sei bem não tinha a dia de papa não gosto do Lucia no dia de meu filho só assim
Come to Fieso, eu tinha pambaço, minha sasura fica com a caúntia. Eu lamento pra mãe, a não ser tu, eu lamento pra mãe, a filha come to Fieso. E a grava mago govunisa, eu já me achei, eu lamento pra mãe, a não ser tu, eu lamento pra mãe, a filha come to Fieso. E o asana na ganha, sinisa, e a mão da pão. Opemsuo was said to Onyamia Shesha, Onyamintu Pamo, and I was said to Onyamintu Pamo, Africa, and I watch a better Musa, Mr. Yamiama, Onyamintu Pamo, and I was said to Onyamintu Pamo, Africa, you go back to the chest, Onyamia Shesha, Onyamintu Pamo, and I was said to Onyamintu Pamo. I want to share the own map when I say when you want to share the own map.
Kumasi Girls Senior High School. Was it Oba?